This is a Scarlet Red HP laptop. This was a great Black Friday deal. It's a great laptop for kids. This is the box. Red here. We have the specs over here. Standard HP seal on both sides. 15.6 inch means it's a full-size kind of screen. It's big. Intel N200. This is a new sort of kind of Pentium thing, so it's below i3, right? 4 GB of RAM, 128 SSD, Windows 11 in S mode. You can always switch out of S mode. It takes like 5 minutes. You can watch some YouTube videos how to do it. So this side is like silver gray kind of thing, and the back is red. Comes with Microsoft Office. 128 GB of UFS, which is faster than eMMC but slower than SSD. This is something that's used in phones, like that kind of storage memory. Screen is HD, not full HD, but it's LED 250 nits. It's not that bad. I mean, it's a basic laptop after all. Charger on this side, laptop on this side, standard HP packaging kind of thing. I already like this red. By the way, there is also a silver version of it, and there is also like other laptops with different specs that looks like this. This is a Walmart model. Silver over here, so they saved on paint. HP seal over here. Manuals. 45 watt HP charger. Doesn't really need more than 45. 45 is fine for this one. Standard kind of HP charging. Second part, and this is the laptop. So it's average weight. We get USB-C here, HDMI, USB-A, had headphone input. I kind of like the design. It's red on here, silver there. We have another USB-A, and we have charging goes right here. No SD card, unfortunately, no RJ45. It's pretty thin, I would say. It's definitely not thick. There's the laptop. We have here camera shutter. I don't like that it's here. It should be like here somewhere or there. That's weird to me. This is pretty big. Feels fine actually. It's probably a similar one would be in more expensive models. And the buttons, cheap plastic, but it doesn't feel that bad actually. Feels fine. Numeric buttons, this is 15 inch, so we have all the buttons. We have here power button, near print screen and backspace. It's like average resistance on the buttons. It feels like a budget laptop, but I would say some other laptops that cost like $400, that's more expensive with like i5 or i3, would probably be similar to this. So it doesn't feel cheap for its price. It feels good for the price actually. I really like this red color. It's probably a little bit darker than you may see. It's like this. Cool. If you missed the Black Friday deal, you'll probably have to buy it for higher price. The color is red. This is the main thing about it. It's really good. I'm tired of those silver and gray laptops. This is something refreshing. I like it, and it looks good on something cheap like this. Big full-size screen is great. Specs are very basic. I wish it was 8 GB of RAM. 4 GB of RAM is might be a little bit slow. You don't want to open too many windows. You can still like send an email or watch some YouTube or play Minecraft. For very, very basic needs, it'll be fine. Scarlet red.